everybody, it's Tammy with Southern Angels Boutique. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please remember to go right below and hit that subscribe button. And if you've been with me for a while, thank you for being a subscriber. I appreciate you subscribing. And remember to please give this video a thumbs up also. So, with further ado, we'll get into this video. And, this looks blurry. Let's see if it's going to focus. I have to turn it around. Is it going to focus? Is it focusing now? Okay. Maybe because I've got it turned this way. I usually turn it the other way. But I wanted to make sure I was in view. Okay, we're just going to try it and see. Anyway, this got a package here I'm sharing, and I think I've told y'all before, I do on my Instagram, I tag a lot of people. I get involved in what do you call it? People tag me and I tag them, and there's a lot of people that do giveaways on there. So I do a lot of tagging, a lot of Instagram friends, and to try and win the giveaways, and other people try to win the giveaways. And if you get tagged, then you need to do what the rules, go and see what I've tagged you in. You go see what the rules say. Usually it's very simple. You just read the instructions, very simple, and you have a chance to, it helps me out. And then when you do it, you get a chance to also win the prize, and they're usually really good prizes. Well, this one, there was 3 or 4. Actually, there was 3, but she ended up picking 4, which I was the 4th winner. And so I thought that was very sweet. Her, she goes by on Instagram at Right Brain Art. And yeah, she decided instead of 3 winners, she was going to pick 4. So I was her 4th. I believe that's right. I believe I was her 4th, if not her 3rd. Yeah, I think it was the 4th. So anyway, she contacted me and on Instagram, and I sent her my mailing address. And so this is a surprise package. I do not know what's in here. I haven't even looked in here yet. All I've done is opened it. It's been over a week. It might have been a couple of weeks now since I've won this, and I'm excited to look in here. She lives in Canada, so that's why it's taken a little while to get here. So we're going to get right on into this and see what all the goodies are. So I'm going to look in here and just pull out a few things at a time. Well, I guess, we'll just pull some out, see what's in here. But yeah, go on Instagram and if you don't know her, go at Right Brain Art and follow her. So she's a real sweet young girl. Okay, so she sent me some of these gel pens, which gel pens are always fun. I share these with my nieces, my niece and my granddaughter. And yep, see, I'm going blurry, guys. Here we go. I'm gonna have to hold it up. Maybe that'll help. I'm sorry if it goes blurry. It's new, so it shouldn't, but it could be because I've got it flipped around that I don't normally do. And let's see what else we got. Oh, we got these cute little embellishment. There's 9 pieces. Life's Little Occasions medley. Let's see, are they stickers or just, I think they're stickers. Let me see. I believe these are like pop-up stickers. These are cute. You can use on any kind of projects. There's a glare. So those are real cute. Let's see what else she sent. Oh, these are cute. Little Valentine's pop-ups, foiled stickers, which you don't have to use just at Valentine's. Those are cute. I love the cupcake. Isn't that cute? Oh, I love the strawberries. I like the strawberries and the sucker too. But I love that cupcake. I like how the hearts look like they got swirled icing on them. Those are cute. And let's see what else we got in here. Oh, I got some of these stickers. I love these from Dollar Tree. I don't see these too much anymore. The Jot ones, and I love these. These are great for making cards and all kinds of projects with. Got that. And oh, I love these. I can always use these. These are great for projects and the letter stickers, projects, and using my planning. So those are good to have. And there's a few more little things here. Paper Mania Paper Craft Card Kit. Oh, this is cute. Never seen this before. So it looks like it makes like a 3D card there. A balloon card kit. Well, that's cute. I don't know if you can see that. Makes this little 3D balloon card kit there. So that's cute. That'll be fun to do. I like stuff like that. And it comes with everything you need in it. The card, the stuff to make the card, and the envelope to put it in, and all that. So that's good. So I like that. And here's the last thing. Oh, I should have gotten this first. This little thank you card. Dear Tammy, thanks. Thank you for entering my giveaway. Congratulations. Enjoy your goodies. All the best. Right Brain Art. Oh, that's sweet. I like that. I like her little card she made. So that was sweet. So thank you to her. I'm going to give a big shout out to Right Brain Art. I keep wanting to call her Right Hand Brain for some reason, but it's Right Brain Art. So you go to Instagram. I don't know if she has a YouTube. She never did say. And, you know, sorry about my phone. It's my other old phone that does that. Come on now. Go off. I never can get it to shut off. There we go. Sorry about that. But yes, you go to Instagram and you go to go look her up at Right Brain Art. So and just follow her. And there, now we're going blurry. There we go. Get it back focused again. So and when she does another giveaway, sometime you'll be following her and you'll notice, and then you can tag people. And also remember to follow me at Southern Angels BTQ. And I can tag you. So and you'll see what all I'm posting, because sometimes when I don't do videos, I do post pictures, and because I don't always get a video up, but I will post pictures on there and do that instead, and then you can at least see what I'm up to. So I thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a wonderful and blessed day, and remember to give this video a thumbs up. Please share. Please comment below. And remember to subscribe if you're not a subscriber. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye now.